Okay guys, we're back again into the next video, guys, and so far we built our track up. We put our bass line down. It's sounding really cool. And next we're just gonna tidy up this bass line again. What we mentioned with the velocities, we're gonna turn the velocities up and maybe even look at some of these notes to see what we can do. Let's see if we bring these notes longer and see what happens. I think it might sound a little bit more better if we just bring these at least to the next line. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, there's no doubt, man, that bass line sounds much more stronger that way. So let's bring it out, bring this out even more like that, bring this out even more like that. Absolutely beautiful. Bring this out, let's get this out here, guys, get this out here. And this is real serious business we're dealing with here, right? Okay, so pop that across there. Awesome. Let's just lengthen all of these notes out here, and that's that. Okay. So obviously we got all this other string here that we've got. We're not sure what we're going to do with that. We'll probably chuck that at the start or something. Let's see what happens. That might come into that. I don't know. Let's see if it even works yet. We'll find a way somewhere along the line. If we don't use it in this song, we'll use it in another song. This is more like kind of deep hardcore, kind of whatever. Oh, mate, I love this. Right, now what I want to do something here, like, check this out, yeah? We've got this instrument here now at the moment, right? Now, okay, not everyone's computers have what you call superpower, right? In today's world, yeah, computers are getting bigger and they're getting fatter and everything, and I totally agree. Most people should have, but not everyone's as fortunate to have a computer that's killing it. You know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, I've got a Mac Pro 5.1. It's old school, but it does a trick, yeah? It's not the latest quad-core AI processor, Terated. It's powerful enough to do what I want to do. But to save what you call computer power, and let's abbreviate that to DSP. DSP is computer power, right? Without going into what, you know, anything too deep, let's keep things simple. DSP is computer power. That's all we need to know. So basically, what we're going to do with this computer power now is we're going to reduce it. So what we do, we've played a little percussion with that drum. We're going to right-click it, yeah, and we are going to render in place again with current settings. And what that does is it converts it to audio. Audio will take up hard drive space, but not processing power. Because what you'll find, the more instruments that you load, eventually your computer's going to crack. It can't take it no more. You know, people tend to benchmark some computers, you know, benchmark, i.e. Test them out and see how much VST instruments they can take at once. But let's not push it that far. So as you can see, all this is done is converted to audio, same as the Amen. Now that makes it easier for us to do some work to it. Next phase from here is we're going to add, right click, and we're going to go FX to send. And then we just can add a nice little reverb. Right, let me try and keep this box standard. I'm going to go with some, hopefully with one of Cubase's reverbs. Let's see, what reverbs has Cubase got? I don't even know what box standard reverbs it's got here. Let's see, Revelation, what's that? Let's have a look. And we call the track reverb, yeah? So this is what you call group effect. And when you hit the add track, yeah, there you go. It's a nice Steinberg reverb, yeah? And we can set the reverb now to different presets depending on what we want. Just look for the preset on here. As you see, look, my computer's got the max spinning wheel, which is very annoying. But look, you've got different reverbs. You can click there. Best way to do it is this way. Now we don't want a cathedral. You got church, probably a bit too much. That one I like it, but it's a little bit too much low end. But then, can we take some low end off it? Look, Nice. Right, so we go to there, take the low end off. So you see how I've done that? Yeah, bottom end's come off. Now listen to it. Sounds more interesting. Oh yeah, man. I'm feeling this. Let's go safe. So what's going through my mind right now is that I'm listening to this and I'm thinking, what does it need? What does it need? You know, and I'm thinking a little vocal could go nice in there. Little female vocal. You know, maybe another little sound on the melody. Or, you know, over the top of it, maybe. So now I'm gonna just see what I've got and figure out what the next state of play. So we're gonna go back to our VST instruments now that we freed up the percussion that was here. Which was here. We can change this instrument now to a different one. Right, we can go to it back into the edit. We can see what other sounds we've got in here. Now, I think there was some nice sort of dark sounds that I picked earlier. There was these glitch effects were quite interesting. That's good for like a sweep effect. Nah, I'm not gonna go down this route, man. This is nice. I need us looking for a sound here, man. Come on. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that one down. I like that. Okay, so delete off the old one now. Abstract. Alright, so we put that stuff down. It's just literally random, just testing the water, see what it sounds like. It's just an experiment, so nothing's concrete at this stage. Let's do a little quantize on that, see how it sounds. Nice. Yeah, that's sounding tidy now. Copy that over. Alright, let's see what we can do about this end bit here, because it sort of sounds a bit off to me. Just get it right. So let's just move that along there. We've got the quantize on 16, so let's bring that back a bit and let's see what it sounds like from there. I've got to try and just do this. And let's bring these to 32s and then kick that back a bit there. Boom. Okay, we run out of time on this video again, guys. So we're just going to wrap this one up. Bring that just before the beat. Let's see what it sounds like. I want to take that one out. Okay, guys. So that's it for this part of the modules of the course. I'll see you in the next video.